Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Chevrolet Blazer RS. It comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and ventilated seats, 21-inch wheels, panoramic sunroof, drive mode selector, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with red accents throughout the vehicle. Paneling cup holder storage on the bottom with your power liftgate control. Equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. It'll come up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the chrome accents in your seat memory. These seats are going to use power adjustable, heated and ventilated leather seats. It's very nice. Left side you'll have your vents and your lighting control with more of that red accent. And left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Then you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info as well as your gauges. As well as you can access audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start, next to your auto stop, and as well onto the infotainment. So equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and navigation as well. You can also access Amazon Alexa, and including your rear camera with hitch guidance and the hitch cam, and Chevrolet Maps Plus. Down below you're going to have the dual zone climate control with the 2 huge vents. 2 USB ports right in the middle, some storage down below, the shifter, the RS badging with park assist, lane keep assist, and your drive mode selector, and your center console with an SD card reader and 2 more USB ports. Passenger side, same finish, but power adjustable again. Chrome accents with the red all the way across, speakers and vents up top, and then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your panoramic sunroof. You're going to be blacked out 21-inch wheels on Michelin Cross Climate tires. You're going to have paint match mirror caps and keyless entry door handles. Black lettered sidewall top, deep tint rear glass in the back. More of your black badging with the dual exhaust. Into the back here, you got storage on the sides with some hooks. Extra wheel storage down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, again more paneling storage next to the speaker. You got the power windows with the heated rear seats. Back, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear ventilation, USB ports, and an AC wall charger. Got the cup holder and armrest right in the center, lamps and handles on the side, and above you again, the panoramic sunroof. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2021 Chevrolet Blazer RS, equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as drive mode selector, heated ventilated seats, lane keep assist, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.